In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new contact to a contact list in Microsoft Outlook FAST 2025 Guide. We'll walk through the simplest way to add someone to an existing contact list using Outlook on the web. This is quick, reliable, and great for keeping your mailing groups up to date. I'll explain what to click and why, and share a few tips so you avoid the most common hiccups. First, open your browser and head to Microsoft Outlook on the web. Sign in with your account so you can access your email and contacts. If you use multiple accounts, make sure you're in the one that owns the contact list you want to update. Once you're in, let everything load for a moment so the people and contacts sections are fully available. Next, switch to people. You'll find this in the left navigation bar. It's the area that manages your contacts and lists. Clicking people takes you out of the inbox view and into your address book, which is exactly where we need to be to update a contact list. Now select all contact lists. This view shows every list you've created or have access to. From here, open the contact list you want to update so we can make changes to it. With the list open, choose Edit. Edit puts the list into a mode where you can add or remove members and adjust details. If you don't see Edit right away, look near the top of the page or expand the menu. It's usually near the list name. In the Edit view, enter the email address of the new contact you want to add. Type carefully and double check the spelling and domain so messages won't bounce. Outlook may suggest matches from your directory or your existing contacts as you type. If you see the correct person, select them to avoid typos. If the person isn't already in your contacts, adding their email here will still include them in the list. Click Add to attach that email to the list. You'll see the new entry appear among the members. If you're adding more than one person, repeat the same action. Type the next email, then click Add before you finalize. When you're done, click Save. This step is essential. Save commits your changes so the list is updated across your account. Give it a second to apply. After saving, your contact list is ready to use in new messages, and the added contact will receive emails sent to that list moving forward. That's it. Open Outlook, go to People, choose All Contact List, edit the list, add the email, and save. If something doesn't update, refresh the page and verify the email format. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.